Hey, welcome back. We have Microsoft to buy Activision Blizzard in Metaverse push. So, guys, we're going to be reviewing this article on Coinmarketcap Alexandria. So, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube videos content. You can click on the subscription button below, turn on the notification so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Also, you can also like this video and share this video to all your friends and families who might be interested in learning one or two about the Microsoft and Metaverse and push. So Microsoft has announced that it is buying one of the world's biggest game developers for a whopping $68.7 billion in a move that's set to provide building blocks for the metaverse. So the tech giant is acquiring Activision Blizzard, the company that owns renowned brands including Call of Duty, Overwatch, World of Warcraft, Candy Crush, and more. So according to Microsoft, the deal will help it become the world's third largest gaming company by revenue overnight, behind Tencent and Sony. Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella said. So you have gaming is the most dynamic and exciting category in entertainment across the platforms today, and we play a key in development of metaverse platforms. We are investing deeply in world-class content, community, and cloud to ensure in a new era of gaming that puts players and creators first and makes gaming safe, inclusive, and accessible to all. We have Activision Blizzard was equally enthusiastic and said the combination of its talent and franchises with Microsoft's technology distribution, access to talent, ambitious vision, and shared commitment to gaming and inclusion will help ensure continued success in an increasingly competitive industry. So the announcement was very light on detail when it comes to Microsoft's exact plans for the metaverse, and it becomes as a number of Silicon Valley titans, Facebook among them, make big money bets on the future wars. So there is, however, always a but. So the eye-watering price tag for Activision Blizzard will make it Microsoft's biggest ever acquisition, straight ahead of the $26.2 billion it paid for LinkedIn all the way back in 2016. However, the deal is likely to be closely scrutinized by regulators. Activision Blizzard was also engulfed into a scandal last year amid allegations that the company suffered from a culture of sexual harassment and misconduct, while 37 people had left the business altogether for the four had faced disciplinary proceedings. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog news review. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to this video if you find it beneficial. Stay tuned for more guys and peace out. Chibakis.